Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Momo. Today I'm making this cookie tin into a work of art sewing kit, which is inspired by the Pakistani Truck Art. These are beautiful trucks that are adorned with vinyl stickers and metalwork. I'm starting with designing the pattern in Photoshop. Each layer is then exported as a PNG so it can be ingested into Cricut design space. Once all the files are imported, I'm going to layer them on top of each other and figure out the sizing. I measured out my cookie tin and then I cut out each layer in the desired color using my Cricut Joy. This was a very time-consuming process, but it was definitely worth it. To start with the embossing, I'm going to measure out the metal sheet, the exact size of the cookie tin lid, and trim it until it's perfectly sized. Then I'm going to start layering my truck art pattern pieces, starting with the base layer and then adding the different accents and colors on top of it. I'm attaching them with E6000 glue because I want this to be very secure. Next, I'm turning over the metal sheet and I'm going to do the embossing. I'm using a blunt pencil for this. This looks pretty good. I am layering it with vinyl stickers. These are again simple shaped stickers that I cut out using my Cricut machine. These are cut out of reflective vinyl that is used in automotive industry. I bought sheets off of Amazon and I just loaded them into my Cricut, cut out different shapes and used them to make all of these truck art pieces that I've been working on. So I'm gonna add some more accents and then I need to add some colors to this because of course you have to layer the truck art pieces with a lot of different fun colors. So here I'm going to just use a pair of scissors to cut out the right shapes and then layer. Just trust the process, keep on going, and there it is. The final piece is ready. I think I'm satisfied with it. I'm going to attach it with the glue and I'm going to hold it down with some heavy items until it is secured. The sides of the tin all had some nice designs, so I just added a few stickers there, and there it is. My beautiful truck art inspired sewing kit is ready. I worked on a lot of these pieces in the past few weeks. If you haven't checked out those videos, I'll link them here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.